Hi, I'm Luscinski with the Petzl Technical Institute. In this video, I'll demonstrate the proper installation and retrieval of the EJECT adjustable friction saver for tree care use when using a moving rope system. Let's start by looking at the installation process. I've already reached my high point in the canopy. I'm positioned on my Xeon, and I've selected a suitable limb for installing the EJECT. Start by opening up the gated attachment point by sliding the opening lever to the right. Remove the strap from the adjuster. Once the strap is free, I can pass it over the limb and feed the strap back through the adjuster. Install the strap loop onto the gated attachment point and push the gated attachment point down to close it. Listen for that click with the latch to ensure the gated attachment point is closed. To cinch the strap against the limb, turn the adjuster at an angle and slide it along the strap until your pulley is in the desired position. Next, I'll install my rope through the EJECT. Slide the opening lever up and pass the spliced eye of the rope through the EJECT and over the pulley sheave from right to left. Note that if I hadn't closed the gated attachment point fully, the opening lever would be stuck in the downward position, which would prevent me from installing the rope through the EJECT. Once the rope is properly installed through the EJECT, I can connect to my moving rope system. Make sure to weight your moving rope system and ensure proper installation before removing my lanyard. Now I'm ready to go to work. Once safely on the ground, to retrieve the EJECT, disconnect from the rope and girth hitch the retrieval ball onto the spliced eye of the rope. Now, pull down on the opposite end of the rope. The retrieval ball will open the gated attachment point, releasing the strap. This allows the EJECT to be pulled to the ground. As the retrieval ball approaches the EJECT, the spliced eye of the rope passes over the sheave. The thin diameter cord of the retrieval ball allows the opening lever to move downwards into a position where the retrieval ball can push the opening lever to the right, opening the gated attachment point and releasing the strap. Note that while a rope is installed in the EJECT, the opening lever can't move downwards into a position where it can move to the right and release the gated attachment point. Here's an additional tip to prevent your EJECT from falling to the ground during the retrieval process. While I was in the canopy, I installed a throw line over a neighboring branch. Now that I'm on the ground, I can girth hitch the retrieval ball to the spliced eye of the rope as usual. Tie one end of the throw line to the retrieval ball handle. Now pull down on the opposite side of the rope while tending slack in the throw line. The retrieval ball will open the gated attachment point, releasing the strap. Now use the throw line to lower the EJECT to the ground in a controlled manner. These were just a few tips on using your EJECT adjustable friction saver. For complete information, please visit petzl.com to read the instructions for use and tech tips.